In this video, I will show you how to redeem climbing game codes in Roblox. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and then use this search field to go ahead and search for climbing game. So on the search result, go ahead and select climbing game. And then in here, go ahead and click on that play button. So this will open the experience for you. So once you're inside climbing game, you can go ahead and find this store icon at the top of your screen in between the timer and the update. So go ahead and click on store, and then this will pop on your screen. In here, go ahead and head over into the code section, and then in here you can go ahead and enter the code that you want to redeem on climbing games. So you can most commonly find codes on Discord, and the invite is below the game's front page. So you must be 13 years old to be able to join climbing game Discord channel. And that's basically how you can redeem climbing game codes in Roblox.